Guys, we really need your help. Really need your help, guys. Hi guys, so you're probably here because you saw the title of the video and you're seeing that intro and you're wondering what are we going to be talking about today, guys. If you're new here, guys, my name is Dems. I'm a Jamaican who migrated to Canada a couple years ago with my family, my wife and my daughter. We left Jamaica for the beautiful city of Grand Prairie in northern Alberta. Guys, my wife came as a worker, I came as a student, and my daughter, 2 years old at the time, came on a visitor's visa. Now, my daughter, if you guys are new here also, is autistic. Now, she's non-verbal autistic as she depends 100% on us to do most of all of her daily functions in terms of getting dressed, feeding, bathing, clothing, everything pretty much that a toddler and infant would require of a parent. She's 6 years old now and we still do all of those things. But one of the biggest things, guys, is she doesn't eat. She only drinks Pediasure. And it's getting to a point right now, guys, where Pediasure is so expensive. For 4, it's like $12, $13 some places. And the cheapest I can probably get 4 for is $10. Now, for Pediasure, because she doesn't eat anything else, sometimes barely lasts for 2 or 3 hours, 4 hours tops. And it simply means that we have to buy like 8 Pediasure per day. And if we're lucky, that 8 Pediasure sometimes lasts like a day and a half or 2 days. So in a nutshell, we're spending like $25 every day on just Pediasure. Now let's do a simple math. 5 day a week. 25 times 5 is $100. No, what am I saying? 25 times 5 is $125. Yeah, math is not my favorite subject. So it's very costly. Now, what do I need your help with, guys? Now, I know that sometimes a lot of persons are out there who have kids with special needs who are probably in a similar situation like us. What did you guys do, or how do you guys cope with the situation? Because right now is very costly on us. I remember Malika is not our only child at the moment. We have Malia, who just turned 2 years old, and she also requires other things on a frequent basis. So it's very expensive is my point. Now, we have tried every single trick in the book, from forcing her to eat to starving her and say, okay, then when she's hungry she's gonna eat. We have tried blending everything, smoothies. Guys, I don't know what we haven't tried. Now, we have put this out there before in the past, and persons have given us their suggestion to say a number of things that we can try, or a number of things that we should try, but nothing seems to work. But we need a solution, guys, because 1, it's costly, and 2, it's not good for her. And sometimes, not to myself, we feel like we're failing her by just resorting to giving her Pediasure. We actually feel like we're failing her in terms of nutritionally. And if your nutrition is not adequate, obviously your brain, your neurological functions are not going to be up to speed. So we don't know what to do. So we're asking anybody out there watching this video, if it is that you are qualified in the field, or if you just have experience in the field, it might be your child, it might be an extended family member, it might even be a friend, it might be a place where you work, and something have worked for you guys, please share it in the comment section right down below, just so that we can have as much options as possible. We're 100% open to trying pretty much anything at this point, because it's really frustrating, and it's driving us bonkers. It's driving us crazy, and it's really frustrated. And we just want to be able to give her the best life that we can, and to do all that we can. But with her not eating, it's very frustrating, and Pediasure is very cost effective. It's very costly. Not cost effective, very costly. It's just not on myself. We don't have any help. We don't have any extended family members who pitch in now and again and say, oh, here you go. bless us with that, do this, do that. It's just us. It's just a two-away. So because it's just a two-away, it's even worse, because sometimes when you have like extended family members, you can actually get support from it. Actually take the burden off your shoulder a little bit. But we don't even have that, right? We don't have that none at all. We have to be doing everything on our own, and financially, physically, and I think people don't understand how I'd say tiring that can be. I know we come on YouTube all the time and we share our journey and we share everything unfilteredly. And we make it seem like everything is alright. For the most part, we're blessed. We are so blessed and we're so thankful. But guys, yo, sometimes we're going through it. Sometimes we go through it, guys. I'm not even joking. And unless you have a child with special needs, you're not gonna be able to understand exactly what I'm saying. But hopefully you do. It's so hard. It's hard mentally. It's hard mentally, especially when you have to be dealing with things that the average parent don't have to be dealing with. Like, how many parents have a 6-year-old who still wear diaper? How many parents have a 6-year-old who can't speak? How many parents have a 6-year-old who has tantrum and behavioral issues and all of these things, right? So that's just our life, though, and we are dealing with it. We have been dealing with it for years on our own. So we get to a point sometimes that we just need help. So guys, if you're watching this video and you have subscribed to the channel, or if you're not even subscribed but you are familiar with our family and you want to give us some assistance by providing tips, we are open to it, guys. We're open to whatever help we can get, advice we can get. So drop it down in the comment section, guys. How can we navigate this feeding issue? What worked for you, in other words? And even outside of the feeding, if you have a child with special needs, how do you cope? How do you cope? Because like most of your friends and family members, they don't understand what you're going through. They see you every day putting on a face and see you pretending like you're strong. They don't know how hard it really is. How do you really cope? Let me know in the comment section, guys. Anyways, with that being said, guys, I'm on the road right now. I'm going to the store to get Pediasure. So come along, guys. That's what I'm talking about, guys. This is what I'm talking about. Look at this. Look at these prices. Imagine doing this every day. Man. Malia has a cough, so I'm trying to get a cough syrup for her as well. Let's see. Probably need to go over to the pharmacist and ask. Yes guys, so I'm actually in Shoppers Drug Mart. I was trying to find something for a cough for Malia, but apparently she's too young to start getting medication as yet, so she can't get any cough syrup until she's 6, and there's nothing over the counter that she can get at 2 years old. That's the thing with Canada, they're very particular about ages and medication, right? So the only thing we can do is to have her ride it out or do home remedies like Vicks and steam and stuff like that. But she had a cold, but now she just have the cough. But we can't give her the cough syrup or anything like that, so it is what it is. Okay guys, so this is what I got, right? I got 2 different types of Pediasure, and I got a feed, which really and truly I'm gonna stop by this for Malia because she's eating food now. So she really don't need this anymore, so we're gonna stop by this. Reduce our budget by at least $30 to $35 right there. And let's see how much this is gonna come to right now. And pretty sure I'm gonna have to come back probably Monday for more Pediasure. I promise you guys. That's okay. How's it going this morning?
Good.
Not too bad.
You like a bag?
Yeah, I'll take one actually. That's me stubborn.
It is. There we go.
$89. Okay guys, $89.44. That's like 9 grand Jamaican. That's like 9 grand Jamaican dollars right there, guys. So point I'm trying to make is it's not easy. So when you guys are seeing YouTubers, please know that YouTubers have real lives, right? They have their struggles, they have their challenges, and they don't always put it on camera, but we are real people. So when you watch the videos, guys, a very easy way to support any YouTuber, including myself, is to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and engage with the video by sharing it and leaving a comment. And everything that you think would be of support to the channel and to the video. Do not just watch a YouTuber that you like and don't support their video, guys, because not only that it takes immense energy and effort to consistently do content that you guys enjoy, that you guys can be educated from, that you guys can benefit from. It takes a lot. Do not take it for granted, guys. Do not take it for granted. It's very easy, it's very cheap. Sorry, it's free, and literally just a click of a button to like the video and to share the video and to subscribe to the channel. That's an easy way to support not just me and myself, but any YouTuber that you guys watch. So I'm asking you guys, if you want to support me and my family, just take a second to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out. All right. Again, I'm asking for anybody out there in the field, qualified or not, through experience or just affiliation or actual studies, please share any remedy with me or strategy with me that you think would be beneficial to helping Malika start eating actual food, right? It doesn't have to be food, but something other than this milk, because I know this can't be healthy for her, and plus it's expensive. All right, guys, just drop it down in the comment section, guys, and I'll be in there looking forward to all those comments. All right, So see you guys in the next video.